Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about an editor. As the programmers before were used to download different editors for different types of programming language. Now this editor support all the types of programming languages, and a program which is not supported by this editor, you can download the extension of that program and it will work in this editor. So this editor name is Visual Studio, as it has a more interesting feature. So let's see how to download this editor. So in here, Google, and type here download Visual Studio Code. Enter. Then in the last link you can see here, just click open it in a new tab. So you can see it is available for Ubuntu, for Mac, for all types of operating system, but I'm using Windows operating system, so I will download it for Windows. So just click here. So as you can see, download is started here. So just click start downloading. So it will take some times to download. So download is completed. Here you can see VS Code is here. Just right click and run as an administrator. OK and accept. Next. So this is the part where you want to install this editor. So you can select, you can change the path also, the destination also. So I will leave it as a default. Click next. Click next and check all of this. Check. So click next and install. So if you can see, I will right click here. There is no option of Visual Studio here. So as you can see, Visual Studio is installed now. So you can see welcome screen is here. For me there is no welcome screen because I haven't I have already installed before, and I have uninstalled this editor because to show you practical how to download and how to install it. So in here you can add the extension. The first extension you need to install here is live extension, live server. In here in extension control, the shortcut of this is Control Shift X, and in here live server. This you can see live server is here. Click on it, and as you can see I have already installed the live server. So here you can install, and from here you can drag and drop your folders. For example, I want to drag this folder inside my Visual Studio. So just click like this, or you can do it, just open this folder and right click here, open with Code Studio. So you can see this CSS folder is here. This you can see CSS projects, CSS projects, CSS project is here, and inside CSS project we have another folder that's also available here. And from this new file you can create, for example, index.html, and I'll full screen it, and you can remove this from here, Explorer. So just press Shift and 1, and then an emit abbreviation will come. Press enter. You can see this ready-made templates. You don't have to write all of these things because this is the starting of every program. So you don't need to write all of this. If you are a developer, you can write here title. You can give a title, for example, VS installation of VS Code, and then here see H1, Wish Studio, Control S, and let's open it. So you can see live server. We have installed the extension of live server. Now open with live server. So as you can see, Visual Studio is here. So this is the